If you're an index futures trader, it's essential you understand this time and price secret. Now, this is something that I haven't ever seen discussed before, but it's critical to know as we go into this new time cycle. I'm going to use 3 years worth of data in order to prove to you whether you should be trading NQ or ES going forward, and I will provide the reasons why. If you find benefit in my content, please feel free to give me a like or share this video with your trading community. Now, this is ES, and I've produced a chart using Edgeful. Edgeful is a statistical analysis tool created by a fellow Goldman Sachs alumnus. He worked in the New York office, I was in the London office, and it gives you dozens and dozens of reports so you can find phenomena within the market to allow you to make money. Now, this particular report is called the Volume Trends Report, and I'm running it for ES using 3 years worth of data. What this report tells you is how much volume is traded during normal trading hours on a specific asset. Now you have everything in there. You have gold, you have oil, you have the index futures, everything is in there. But I'm going to go through this particular scenario. Now, why do we care about volume? Smart money traders, ICT traders, say they trade with the banks. Okay, that is the whole premise. Smart money traders are trading with the banks. Then they say there's a magic algorithm, so the trading volume doesn't matter. Okay, these are two converse positions that cannot be reconciled. You need to understand volume because volume tells you where the institutions are trading. And institutional trading is what moves price. Now, we are currently on the 1st of April. Now you'll see volume dips from March to April on average over the last 3 years for ES. But if you look at NQ, it increases from March to April. So what does this tell you firstly? More institutions trade NQ over ES historically over the last 3 years. So what should you be doing? If you are an ES trader, you should start preferring NQ because then you are moving with the institutions. You are trading with the banks. You are thus a smart money trader. Why are volumes higher in April historically than in March? Because the Nasdaq 100 is a tech index and many of the big tech firms report their earnings in the last 2 weeks of April. So now going forward from the 1st of April, institutional traders will start building their positions, long or short positions in the tech sector, looking for the big spike when earnings is released. If you want to start getting easy moves as the institutional traders come in and move price in very predictable ways, move your trading from ES to NQ. If you would like to see how everything else moves, such as oil, gas, silver, gold, then there's a link to Edgeful in the description to this video. If you would like me to teach you exactly how I trade my golden bullet trading strategy, which I use for index futures, metals, energies, Forex, and crypto, there's a link to my mentorship below.